In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tap pay with PayPal in 2025. Whether you're new to PayPal or simply need a refresher on how to navigate its payment options, this guide will take you through each step with ease and clarity. So let's get started and make sure you're all set up for a seamless payment experience. To begin, head over to PayPal and log into your account. You'll want to go to the main page, specifically the summary section. This is where you get an overview of your account activities, including recent transactions and account balance. It's always a good idea to regularly check this so you're aware of what's happening with your financial flows within PayPal. Next, look for the gear icon, which you can find at the top right corner of your account's main page. Clicking on this will lead you to your account settings. It's important to know this section well because it's where you'll manage all the different facets of your PayPal account, from personal details to advanced security features. Once in your settings, navigate to the Payments section. This is where you can manage your payment preferences and methods. By accessing this tab, you can have a clear view of what's available to you in terms of making payments, receiving funds, and even automating certain processes if needed. Now, within the Payments section, you should see an option to select payment methods. This is crucial because it allows you to choose how you want to pay when using PayPal, whether through your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a credit card. Always make sure that you select the method that works best for your situation, keeping in mind factors like transaction fees and processing times. Moving on, you'll need to click on the PayPal Pay option. This action ensures that you're opting to use PayPal as your primary payment processor. This step is essential, especially if you've linked multiple payment options and need to differentiate them. Once you've selected PayPal Pay, you'll have to click on Confirm to save these settings. Confirming your choices guarantees that your preferences are updated and that PayPal will act according to these settings during your transactions. Remember, reviewing your choices before confirming is always a wise decision to avoid any unintended transactions. Finally, after confirming everything, click on Done. This finalizes the process and brings you back to a screen indicating your payment preferences are set as desired. And with that, you've successfully learned how to tap pay with PayPal. I hope that was straightforward and helpful. Now you can handle your PayPal transactions with confidence knowing your account is set up just the way you like. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.